Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I have an Amazon unboxing and unbagging. I'm going on vacation in a few days. I bought a bunch of different things and I have a huge pile of packages in front of me. I know it's super wasteful, but I will find a way to recycle and reuse all this packaging for sure. But let's take a look. So I did buy a bunch of things for my trip. I have no idea exactly what is what. I'm going to start with this box here. This was actually sent to me. Everything else I bought myself, but this was sent to me by a company. So let's see what's inside. We've got water shoes. So this company called Seekway asked if they could send me some water shoes, and I actually do need some water shoes for where I'm going. I'm going to Costa Rica, so I thought, why not? So let's check them out together. They are unisex, so I'm a little bit nervous about the sizing. I wear a women's size 8, so I'm really hopeful. These are 39, which I believe is actually closer to an 8.5. But let's try them together. Oh yeah, we're good, we're good. Okay, so they seem to fit. They're just a tiny bit big, but no big deal. I think they should be good. They're nice and tight. You can adjust the laces there. They have a rubbery sole, so I really like this because obviously for a water shoe you want to be able to like walk through rivers, streams, rocks, or like if you're at the ocean, then that's just going to protect your feet. They feel actually really comfortable. Oh wow, okay. Yeah, I do think they're the right size though. I have been getting 8.5 for my sneakers, like my running sneakers, so they don't feel like excessively large, and I feel like I'd rather them not be too small because then I might like poke through the material. So thank you, Seekway, for sending these water shoes my way. I can't wait to use them. Okay, let's go into this padded envelope. And we have 2 journals that say Pura Vida. So I got my husband and I these journals so that we can journal our experience. So we each have one. I thought they were so cute. I would probably have preferred to actually get one there and support their local people, but I didn't know if I would see one early on, and I want to have this to really record the whole experience. So that will be super fun for my husband and I to write about our travels. Next, we have this box here. We have some bug spray. This is called Repel, and this is DEET-free lemon eucalyptus. We have used this before, and I think it works really, really well. It claims that it repels mosquitoes that transmit Zika, West Nile, dengue, and chikungunya virus. I have no idea. So I really feel good about the Repel, and it is a 2-pack, so I can share. Next, we have another padded mailer. Ooh, we have some armbands. Oh, 2 things. Okay, so I got these armbands for my phone because my old armband was not really meant to fit an iPhone 11. So when I'm running, if I don't have pants or shorts that have pockets, I do want to have an armband. So I bought 2 because they are returnable. So I'm going to see which one works better. One was like $10 and the other was like $16, but the one that was 10 actually sounded better. But my mind always plays tricks on me, and I always think the more expensive one is going to be better. So I'm going to try those out. I will link them down below. Then Jeshim Jalal recommended that I get these lens filters for my GoPro, and I haven't really messed around with my GoPro yet, but I wanted to take his advice because he is a photographer. He knows what he's talking about. And he originally had recommended these. There's 6 of them in here. Then I was being stubborn and I asked him to recommend a smaller one, but I ended up going with the 6-pack just because these are the first ones he recommended, and I just figured, why not? All right, let's try this little guy. I feel bad, there's literally like the tiniest thing in here. Luckily, I'm in a Facebook group and there's a girl who reuses these, so. Ooh, this is Bite Balm Itch Relief. So if I do get bitten by anything, I will have this to help me out. Next, we have a larger box. I know what's in here. Ooh, we have a lot of goodies in here actually. I thought it was just gonna be one thing. Okay, so I got these Ecco Sandals. They're supposed to be really comfortable for walking a lot. I'm kind of annoyed because the box is a little bit beat up. So it's just a brown little strappy sandal, and it's supposed to have a lot of support, like the footbed and everything. So I thought those might be good. My favorite sandals, the strap broke, so I did bring them to be fixed, but at the time I didn't know if I could get them fixed in time. Okay, I also got this cute little swimsuit. The bottom is floral and has little ties on the side, and then the top I thought was really pretty. It's like a peachy pink, kind of like a twist, but super simple. Like, I like that it's just normal straps. I did order a medium, and looking at it, I'm a little nervous. But we'll see. It is returnable. It also looks cheekier in person than it looked online. So I guess we'll find out, but it is like nice and high-waisted, which I've been really into, kind of like that high-waisted retro look. Next, I got these bug bite relief things to like suck the venom out of your bug bite. Clearly, I'm very focused on this whole bug bite situation, but I just want to be prepared. So this is a, wow, the door just slammed. I think that's a sign. So this is a 2-pack, so I can share one with my husband. And then I also got this Mosquito Radarcan thing. It's like a little wristwatch that's supposed to emit a buzzing noise to make the mosquitoes not want to come near you. I don't know if it really works. Some people said it worked amazing, and other people said it literally doesn't work at all. So it's one of those things. I just figured I would grab it. I think it was like around $15. So I hate bug bites. Like, I was just outside like a week ago, and I have mosquito bites, and they're just healing now, and I just can't stand that. Okay, we have reached the moment of the awkward item. So here it is. This is a female urination device. So I hate when I am on a hike and the boys can just run off in the woods and do their thing, no big deal. And I've always wanted one of these for probably like a couple years now, but I've never actually followed through and bought one. Of course I got pink because I really want to be like cute and feminine when I'm doing my business. But basically once you figure out how to use it, you can pee standing up. Like if you have a fly in your pants, then you can just use that. Or even like, I feel like even if you don't, it's still better than fully squatting all the way down, and I don't know. So I'm sorry if this is TMI, but I've wanted one of these for a really long time. This is called Samyang is the brand. There were a bunch, and this one got really good reviews. So it has a little storage pouch that it comes with a little carabiner. I'm just figuring if we are on any little like jungle things, why not be prepared, especially like if there's mosquitoes and stuff, the less you can expose, the better. Because if you do have to squat all the way down, usually you're moving your pants down quite a lot to do that. So we'll see. So I'm sorry if this is TMI, but I really have been wanting one of these for a long time. They do also recommend, I've read, you should practice ahead of time, like at home with just like a normal situation so that you know how to use it. So that was my little Amazon haul. I have all these boxes around me now, so I'm gonna definitely reuse them. I do Poshmark, and sometimes I'll use a box for Poshmark if I don't use the ones from the post office. So yeah, I will make sure that these all get used, but I hope you enjoyed my little haul, and I will make sure to link everything below so you can check it out too. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.